Good morning, children. Continuing with multiplication. Today we shall multiply by the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Now, what do we mean by multiples? Multiples of 10. Simple, it means table of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on till it goes on. Then when we talk about multiples of 100, again it means table of 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. They'll keep on continuing. Multiples of 1000 in the same way, 2000, 3000, 4000 and on. And after this we also move on to multiples of 10,000, then after that lakh, more than that. So in the same way these are the multiples. Now today's work we just are going to use these multiples to multiply. For example, if you have the sum 63 multiplied by 20. Now pay attention. 20 of course is a multiple of 10. Now I shall be showing you two methods to do this. The best method to use it is the first method that I am showing you. Now when we have multiples of 10, like for example now we are multiplying by 20. So pay attention. In this multiple of 20, just leave out the 0 for the time being. Think that there is no 0. So when there is no 0, your sum becomes simply 63 multiplied by 2. Now this we can easily do it orally. So when we leave out the 2, multiply 2 by 3. You are not going to do these arrows. I'm just showing it to you. So this becomes 2 3s are 6. Now multiply 2 by 6. This becomes 2 6s are 12. And you remember the 0 that we had left out. Now we are going to put the 0 after this number. So your answer is 1260. Okay. This is the method that you're going to follow. Now another sum. For example, we have 372 multiplied by 50. Again, leave out the 0 for the time being, only for the present. Then again 5 2s are 10, 0 carry over 1. Now 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36, 6 carry over 3. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 3, that is 18. And you remember the 0 that we have left, we are going to take it, put it after this. So your answer is 18,600. Okay. Now this sum, children, we are just doing it orally, but I know some of you are still not learnt your table. So I'll just take this sum again, that is 372 multiplied by 50. Remember the answer, 18,600. Now this was your sum, 372 multiplied by 50. You are going to do it directly. Now for some of you, you can make a rough column. Pay attention now. And write 372 on top multiplied by 50. Okay. Same method. Method is not different, but only this is long. Now this 0 that is there, just copy it down. Zero's work is over. Now it is a simple multiplication. 372 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 0 carry 1. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. 6 carry 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. So this becomes 18,600. So it's easy. Now let's move on to multiples of 100. Exactly in the same way, children. Exactly in the same way. For example, you have now 78 multiplied by 300. Now leave out these two zeros for the moment. Okay. We will not touch these zeros. So simply, what is your sum now? 78 multiplied by 3. So 3 8s are, now I'm not going to draw those arrows because you're going to do it orally. 3 8s are 24. 4 carry over 2. 3 7s are 21. Plus 2, 23. Children, leave gap. These two zeros that we had left out, now added in front of it. That's it. Answer 23,400. Same method in the rough. If you feel you are not able to multiply it over here directly, then follow the same method. Do this in the rough. 78 multiplied by 300. You do not have to do directly. If you're doing it directly, well and good. Otherwise, you can do this and just write the answer. Again, copy down this 0, copy down this 0. Your sum is 78 multiplied by 3. Same thing, 3 8s are 24, 4 carry over 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 23. Final answer 23,400. But please try to do it orally, children. This is only if you have not learned your tables, and if you have not learned your tables, children, you should learn your tables. Okay, because you see we are wasting such a lot of time. Now let's move on to multiples of 1000. For example, 76 multiplied by 4000. Leave out the 3 zeros for the moment. We will take it afterwards. Then 4 6 are 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. How many zeros have we left out? 3. Add them. 1, 2, 3. That's your answer. Put in your commas. Same thing. 76 multiplied by 4000. Copy down this 0. Copy down this 0. Copy down this 0. 76 multiplied by 4. Simple. 4 6 are 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 7s are 28 and 2, 30. And this is your final answer, 3,04,000. But again, children, this is to be a part of your rough column in your fair notebooks. Now, today's exercise also, when you will do, just fill in your sum and write the answer this way, is equal to. Now, one thing that you have to pay attention to, and that is, suppose you have your sum given as 40 multiplied by 426. Now, if you see in all the other sums that we had done, the multiples of 10 or 100 or 1000 was in the second part. That means it was the multiplier. I'm going to use these two terms again and again. That means by number by which we are multiplying. So, 40 multiplied by 426 can be easily written as 426 multiplied by 40. And this is what you have to do. That if the multiples of 10, 100, 1000 is written first, just change the order, because multiplication will be seeing, even if you change the order, it doesn't make any difference. Now, why are we doing this? Your work will become easy. Very simple it will become. So, this is nothing but the same thing. 40 multiplied by 426 is equal to 426 multiplied by 40. Same thing, leave out the 0. And after that, multiply 4 6s, 4 2s, 4 4s, and then add the 0 in front of it. Let us do that. I'll just write it down so that, or I'll just make my handwriting little small so that you can all understand. So your sum was 40 multiplied by 426. I shall make this as 426 multiplied by 40. Sum remains the same. Leave out the 0. 4 6s, 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 2s, 8. Plus 2, 10. 0 carry over 1. 4 4s, 16. Plus 1, that is 17. And how many 0 did we leave out? Just 1. So put in your 0. Got it, children? It is the same. Same thing if you want to do it in the rough. 426 multiplied by 40. Copy down 0 and do the rest of the multiplication sums. So if it is given this way, or if your sum is, suppose your sum is 5000 multiplied by 33. Same thing, just change it so that just to make your work simple. Make it 33 multiplied by 5000. Leave out the 3 zeros. Multiply. 5 threes are 15. 5 carry over 1. 5 threes are 15 plus 1. 16. We have left out these 3 zeros. Add it in front of it. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Your sum is over. Or again in the rough if you want to do, same thing. 33 multiplied by 5000. Copy down 0, copy down 0, copy down 0. 5 threes are 15, 5 carry 1, 5 threes are 15 and 1 16, 1,65,000. So this is the way children you are going to do it. Just simply write the answer in front of it. Okay, now these type of sums that we did children, this today what we have done, we are going to call it as part 1. We have part 2 also. Now part 2 will be the next video which we will be seeing tomorrow. Okay, so for today, multiples of 10, 100,000. Just remember, any number given to you, leave out the zeros, do the simple multiplication and then add the 0 in front of it. Any number that is given, if it is multiple of 100, leave it out, find out the answer, add 2 zeros. That's it for today children. Do your work attentively, neatly. Have a good day.